Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable 24-hour clock on Slack. So once you're in Slack, click your account on the lower left hand side and go to preferences. Then click end message and media, as you can see here. Scroll down and you will find an option under the additional options that says show time with 24-hour clock. So once you have this feature enabled, your time will be shown in the 24-hour clock, right? So you will not find PM, you will just have it goes all the way up in 24-hour clocks from here. And as I said, you can easily find it by going to your account preferences. On the left hand side, click your messages and media, and you will see if you go ahead and disable it or enable it, it shows a difference with the time. So here you can see right here, it shows, for example, the AM, but before it removed it when I enable the 24-hour clock. And that's pretty much it, guys.